We're stopped in the new housing development. Let me see your hands now! Get out of the vehicle right now. Put the cell phone down. Put the cell phone down now. That's fine, man. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands now. Keep your hands out the window. We will find that out in a minute. All right? You're gonna know now. All right? You'll know soon enough. You understand that? You will know soon enough. Now let me see both your hands right now. Put the cell phone down. Put the cell phone down. Put the cell phone down. Okay, well then how about you set it up right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to get out of your vehicle now. Do you understand that? Get out of the vehicle right now. Hey, you are not doing anything good for you, man. You better get out of that vehicle now.
What is the crime that I've committed?
The crime that you've committed is an infraction for not having your headlights on. You need to step out of the vehicle right now. Drop your cell phone. Set your cell phone down. Let me see both your hands now. Hey, you are making this bad for yourself, man. Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle right now, man.
You're going to jail.
You are definitely going to jail now. So step out of the vehicle and let's get this over with. Step out of the vehicle right now. Now you are resisting and obstructing. You understand that? So step out of the vehicle right now and walk back towards me. Step out of the vehicle now.
Attention. New alert received.
Yeah, we're going to talk about this, but we're going to talk about this on my terms. So step out of the vehicle right now. Well, now you have. So now you're going to step out of the vehicle regardless.
You're disobeying a lawful order. Do you want us to take you out of that vehicle?
There is no crime that has been committed.
You're disobeying a lawful order. Get out of the vehicle and follow commands.
A lawful order is when a
Get out of the vehicle now. Get out of the vehicle right now. You are now under arrest. You are now under arrest for resisting and obstruction. You are failing to follow a lawful command of stepping out of the vehicle.
My amendment is you tell me what crime I've committed.
I've already told you what crime you committed. You just need to step out of the vehicle right now, man. You need to step out of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle, man. This is not going to go well for you. Step out of the vehicle now. Did you shut my lights off?
I did not.
What the hell?
But mine are on.
Huh? You need to step out of the vehicle now. Come on. Step out of the vehicle. Let's go. Step out of the vehicle.
Now you have.
You already have, man. You are going to jail. That's the thing. You're resisting an obstruction. You are failing to follow a lawful command of exiting your vehicle.
Have you seen the amendments audit? You have to tell me what crime I've committed. I don't have to step out of my vehicle. I don't have to tell you what I'm doing.
So you want to wait for?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm about to rip this dude out. All right, man. That's fine. That's fine. All right, man. That's fine. You're just going to hang out. You're just go ahead and just hang out on there, man. If you're not going to get out, then we're going to have to remove you, okay? It's as easy as that. As easy as that. You need to exit your vehicle now, man. You are under arrest. Step out of the vehicle, man. Step out of the vehicle. You are under arrest for resisting and obstruction. You have committed a crime now. You are under arrest for resisting and obstruction. You are under arrest. Like I said, man, you are under arrest for resisting and obstruction. You are failing to obey and follow a lawful command.
Yeah.
Now, I seriously doubt you pay taxes, but hey, you need to step out of your vehicle. You need to step out of your vehicle. You've already been told you are under arrest for obstruction. You are failing to follow a lawful command.
That's okay.
You need to exit the vehicle right now. You will speak with the supervisor soon enough. You need to exit your vehicle right now. Hey, for right now, you are under arrest for resisting and obstruction, for not failing to follow a lawful command. You need to exit your vehicle with your hands up. Do you understand that? You need to exit your vehicle with your hands up. You need to exit the vehicle with your hands up. Do you understand that?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Hey, you will speak with the supervisor soon enough, but you are let's do this the easy way and step out of the vehicle right now. Step out of the vehicle right now. I've already let you know you are under arrest.
How do you want to do this, Nathan?
I don't know, man. I'm about ready to just approach.
Okay.
So,
We can stack.
you got less lethal right there? Okay. So, you got lethal?
Yes, sir.
You cool with that? I'm going to roll up non, and I'm going to remove them. You understand that? You guys good? Are you ready?
Yep.
So, we're going to extract them.
You just cover the passenger side, Eagle?
Yep, we have a shotgun, a pistol, a couple more pistols.
All right, man. It's time for you to step out of the vehicle.
My seatbelt is on.
It's time for you to step out of the
My
vehicle.
seatbelt
It's
is
time for
on.
you to step out of the vehicle. Hey, keep your fucking hands up. Keep your hands up.
Don't break my
Keep
arm.
your fucking hands up. Grab a hand.
Undo
Grab a hand.
my seatbelt.
Grab a fucking hand.
I'm not resisting. You can handcuff me.
Okay, ready? Ready? Get down on the fucking ground now. Get down on the fucking ground. Put your fucking hands out. Get your fucking hands out. Get your hands out right now.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Get your fucking hands out there.
Somebody record this.
I got you.
It is being recorded.
Violation of my constitutional rights.
You are under arrest
For what? For what?
for resisting and
I
obstruction.
haven't resisted.
Ah, come on.
I'm on private property now.
Well,
You good, Nathan?
let me know. Yeah. All right. Like I
I was
said,
coming over here to stir the fire.
you're under arrest.
Handcuffs are on. No need for force. Can
You have any
lock
weapons on
them?
you?
Can you lock them?
Any weapons on you?
I have a knife in my pocket.